Let's learn Megan does like.
Mom, where are we going?
We are going shopping.
What are we going to buy?
We are going to buy some meat, seafood, vegetables, and fruit.
What meat, Mom?
Beef, pork, and chicken. Do you like vegetables, Megan?
Yes, I do.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots. I like carrots and lettuce.
Do you like pineapple?
No, I don't like pineapple. But I like watermelon. What fruit does Max like?
Max likes oranges.
Does Mary like seafood?
Yes, she does. She likes prawns and squid. But she doesn't like fish. Okay, the shopping is done. Let's go to pay.
Okay, let's go.